On-page optimization has various steps. First, let's take a look at technical portions. It does require your web developer support. Okay, these are the standard practice for your website. First, you need to create robots.txt file and inform Google that you have certain private folders or confidential information that you should not read. Okay, robots.txt is a standard wherein all search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, they do read this file, okay, before crawling your data. They do obey this file. Okay, so robots.txt file, let me open robots.txt file from our website. So this file has user agent star. It means all search engines should obey this file. Allow slash read all my files, disallow certain folders. So these are the commands that you should write and give it to your web developer and ask them to paste this specific file in root folder. Please ask your web developer to provide read permission so that this file can be opened from outside like this. Okay, so that any search engines can read this file. Next step will be submitting a sitemap file. The sitemap file will have all your website links. Okay, let me open it from our website. This is just a sample. You will have to create your own sitemap for your website. Similarly, you have to create your own robots.txt for your website. Okay, to create robots.txt, you can open a notepad and save it as robots.txt. To create a Sitemap.xml, there are various free sitemap generator tools available online. I will show you. Here, this file has all links in your website. It's a map to your website. Okay, so search engines reads this and crawls, indexes data from your website and shows it when someone searches for it. You will then have to submit this sitemap in Google Webmasters. You can look at the Google Webmaster session for more details on that. To generate sitemap, what you do? You will use XML sitemaps.com or just type sitemap generator and click on this XML sitemaps and generate your sitemap. Okay, please refer the Google Webmaster session on how to generate and submit this sitemap so that you can ask Google to crawl your website. Okay, W3C validation. There are certain standards defined by World Wide Web Consortium and it is advisable to follow the standard. Okay, they define HTML and CSS standards. So you have to validate your website, each and every page, using this tool and ask your web developer to fix it. You open a new tab, type W3C validation tool, open this. Here, what you have to do, you have to mention all your web pages, your web page address, and then say check. Say in this case, say loxy.com. This is just my home page address, and then I will include all these menu links. Okay, home.php. I mean that's the home page address, loxy.com. The next one, and then we have another one. So we have so many links. You have to paste that here and check it. Once you check it, what happens? It provides you errors in the specific pages, in the specific page. Just copy paste this information and send it to your web developer, or ask your web developer to check each and every page in your website and fix these errors. Next, page speed insights. Google provides this tool to improve your website's page speeds. Okay, so open a tab and type page speed insights. So this will provide you the link. Click on the first link. Here you have to enter your web page address and say analyze. Okay, let me type Vibhavi here. Analyze. So it provides various suggestions to improve your page speed. So ask your web developer to improve or fix these issues. It will suggest you to compress your images. Okay, if there are any JavaScript issues, that will be displayed here. It provides details for mobile as well as desktop. So it's your web developer duty to fix this. Okay. Next step, URL structure. Create web page URLs with keywords. For example, if I open Loxy, and if I click on training, and if I click on any of these courses, can you see this? You need to make sure you have keywords in your URL. Okay. Avoid lengthy URL. Okay. Simple to understand. If we open Vibhavi.com and click on any of this link, what happens? This is not human friendly, right? This is not human friendly. Can you see this? And also, this is not search engine friendly. Okay. Make sure it is simple to understand by human as well as search engine, like this. Okay. Next, canonicalization. 301 and 302 redirects. That is, if I type www.loxy.com, it takes me to www.loxy.com. If I type loxy.com, okay, without www, it will take me to www.loxy.com. Okay. Again, if I type www.loxy.com/index.php, okay, it will take me to loxy.com. And also, if I type loxy.com/index.php, it will take me to the same one, which is my preferred domain, www.loxy.com. This happens by having 301 redirects. You should ask your web developer to do this. Why? Because if you have, see, all these refers to index.php file. Okay. For a single file, okay, if you provide access via 4 different ways, what happens? Your quality score given for this page will be split up into 4 different pages. Okay, so if you do not want that to happen, and if you want all this quality score to be given to one page, you need to do this 301 redirect for your domain. Similarly, if you have a page, okay, if you had a page before, but now you have renamed it to a different page, okay, so assume you had a page called internet marketing, that's it, okay, but now you have renamed it to what? this. What you have to do, you should do a 301 redirect from your old URL to new URL. You should ask your developer to do this for sure. Why? Because assume people know your website well and they have bookmarked your website, or assume you have a blog posted where you left a link to your old URL. If you have a 301 redirect, it will actually redirect them to what? To the new page. If you don't have it, it will show you what? 404, page not found error. Okay. 302 redirects. Assume you are doing some web maintenance. Ask your web developer to have what? 302 redirect. If you have a 302 redirect, what happens? If a search engine comes and tries to read your page, it will get a 302 redirect. It means it's a temporary redirect. 301 is a permanent redirect. 302 is a temporary redirect. It means these search engines will understand there is some maintenance activity is going on. So I will come back and read at a later point. Okay. So these are the on-page tasks that you should do. There are more on-page tasks that I'll be teaching you in the next session. So now let's go to part 2 of our on-page task.